Welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering how to add Delta miles after a flight in case your SkyMiles account didn't get credited. This happens more often than you think, but it's easy to fix. First, log into your Delta SkyMiles account on Delta's website or mobile app. Once you're signed in, go to the My SkyMiles section and look for Request Mileage Credit or Missing Miles. You'll need your ticket number or boarding pass from the flight. The ticket number is usually a 13-digit number starting with 006 for Delta flights. You can find it in your confirmation email or on your receipt. Enter your flight details, including the airline if it was a partner flight, the date, and your ticket number. Then submit the form. If it's a partner airline, make sure your SkyMiles number was on the reservation. Otherwise, you may need to contact that airline directly. Delta typically processes missing mile requests within 7 to 10 days, but partner flights can take longer. If you still don't see the miles after 2 weeks, follow up with Delta's customer support. Submitting the request promptly after your flight ensures you don't miss the eligibility window, which is usually up to 9 months after travel. If this video helped you recover your missing miles, hit like, subscribe, and share your story in the comments. Thanks for watching.